Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making Kerala Paratha, which is flaky and soft, with split chickpeas chicken curry. It's a great combination and I hope you like this recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make Kerala Paratha. To make this recipe, in a large mixing bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee. This will soften your paratha. Mix this for 30 seconds. Use warm water as required. Use little by little. Every flour varies. It depends on the flour. I have used 1 and 1/4 cups of water. Combine everything well to get a soft dough. Once everything comes together, knead at least for 8 to 10 minutes. Apply some oil on top to prevent the surface from drying out. Cover it with a cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Ingredients for chicken curry. I've got 1 cup of split chickpeas. Wash and soak it for 10 minutes. This will reduce your cooking process. It will get cooked in 2 to 3 whistles. Into a pressure cooker, add the soaked dal. To this I'm adding 300 grams of boneless chicken. You can also use with bones. A small tomato, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves with the stalk. Adding 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. One chicken cube. This is optional. It will add up extra aroma and taste. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Give a nice mix. Add 2 cups of water. If you have chicken stock, you can use that instead of water. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes or keep for 3 whistles. This is done. Now set this aside. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon of each fennel and cumin seeds. Fry them for 10 seconds and then add crushed ginger and garlic. Fry them for 30 seconds. Onion and garlic are fried well and the flavor is gone. Now add 1 onion, finely sliced, and 3 green chilies. Add according to your taste. Fry this for a minute on a medium heat. Onion is cooked well. Now in this stage, add 1/4 cup of each mint and coriander leaves and saute it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now let's add the chicken and the dal mixture. We need a semi-thick gravy, so simmer it for 2 minutes. Using a spoon or a fork, shred some chicken pieces. Before you turn off the flame, add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves, some coriander leaves. Turn off the flame and add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a nice mix. The dough is ready nice and soft. Give it a quick knead one more time. Let's cut the dough in equal portions. From this you get 7 to 8 parathas. Form it into a ball by sticking the edges underneath and roll well. I have divided the dough into 7 equal parts here. If you want smaller sized rolls, then you can even make smaller dough balls. Dust some dry flour on the working surface and roll it equally. Apply some melted butter and sprinkle some dry flour on top. Make a slit, hold one corner and roll all the way up to the other corner as shown here. Now tuck the ends, twirl and roll the dough and press it down. At the end, you will get a nice layered round shape. Apply some oil or butter on top, cover and keep it till we work on it. Again, dust some dry flour on the surface. Roll the dough equally on all sides. Keep the flame on a medium heat and cook the parathas. Do not turn your paratha immediately. Cook for 30 to 40 seconds. Once you see the bubbles like this, then flip it on other side and cook it similarly on the other side too. You have to keep pressing and rotating the paratha to cook it. Once you see brown spots like this, you can add butter, ghee or oil according to your preference. I'm flipping it to the other side and adding some butter. This is done. Now transfer it to a plate. To get a nice and flaky texture, put it on the board and squish it 2-3 times. Do this when the paratha is nice and hot. Look at this, it's so soft and flaky. It's an absolute joy to eat. Do try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Share your thoughts in the comment section below about this recipe, how you liked it. I hope you find this recipe useful. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.